Everything ran really smoothly, which I really appreciated, because if it hadn't, we didn't have a whole lot of options with him being in another country, so. I'm Stephanie, and this is my husband, Steven. We purchased the Tabor home in the Grove. Because of our situation with him being in the military and then deploying before we closed on the house, they made it a really simple process, which I wasn't expecting. We've purchased a house before, and he wasn't in the military, and it was a lot different. They made sure that we knew what he needed to have done before he left, paperwork that he needed to sign while he was gone, and made sure to give me enough time to get those things, because they knew that communication wasn't going to be as easy as if he were here.
Edmond was where we really wanted to live, and we do have a friend that lives in the neighborhood. The family really likes it. I like the area. It's a good neighborhood, and yeah, location is close to the highway, so it's easier to get to work.
Our realtor advised us to find a builder we liked, and then kind of narrow down what neighborhoods they would be building in. The Grove fit all of those things for us, just with the amenities and location-wise for his work and the school and everything for our kids. So.
They made it very easy.
Yeah, they did.